All right, Market Roadmap subscribers. It is March 27th, 2022. This is the Market Roadmap watch list for the week. We're going to go through the list and I'll briefly talk about what's on it here. Oop, changed off of the. So here's the list. First up, BAC. We had a little bit of a deep retrace here. Run the fibs. Right up through here. We're on Friday, we parked right in the middle of the roadmap line. We need to see a break back above. Well, let's use this box. This kind of zone right here. Top of that candle, 618 right in the middle. So we need to see a move like that. And that could take us up to like 53, 30, 57. Got earnings coming up though, so be careful with that. But all of these financials, I say these financials, we're on the first one on the list here, but financials tend to get a rotation of money into them, an inflow before earnings. Now, right, the couple days right before earnings, things start to reverse and pull out. But running up into earnings, a lot of these are going to see a move up. A lot of the financials. We've got a couple on the list this week. So it's something to be cognizant of. Each earnings cycle, we tend to see a little bit of a run. Like this one over here happened early and then it pulled back right into earnings. You may see the same sort of thing and pull back right into earnings. So it's a repeatable pattern. You see a run into earnings after earnings. It depends on what's happening. This one, the run's not always consistent. It's not always like clear, and it's not on every single financial. It depends on the individual companies. But if you look at like XLF, the financials as a total, you can see this run. So that's a little extra tidbit beyond the scope of Market Roadmap. But in this one right here, early signs of reversal, bounce, lower high, bounce down. It's kind of made a three-wave pattern here. 1, 2, 3, holding 100%. This could be potentially a nice pattern. We need to see a move back above that level right there. Yeah, back through the 618, back through this 46 area, 48, 49, 50, 53. This one could be turning around here. Campbell Soup Company. We'll have to see. We've been on a downtrend for a little while here, so could be at the point of turning around. Just want to keep an eye on. HSBC, another bank, like I was talking about. We may see a run out of these into the earnings. Coming up right here, I would want to see a move up through this gap right there to get long. So 36 would be my alert. Looking for 40, 43. KBE, bank ETF. Like I said, banking's kind of where it's at. There's rotation into financials ahead of earnings here. So this three-wave retrace right at 100%. The minimum, we got to see a daily close move up through here. Something above there. So that's the minimum. And then we grab the 2-point tool, run it down like this, and moving up through 57 as confirmation, breaking back above this prior high at around 59. Take us on up to 63, 66. All right, KRE, another regional banking ETF. Like I said, banking's kind of where it's at this week. Financials, as we roll into earnings here. So we made this same three-wave retrace, hitting the 100%. These are all very typical retraces. So first thing we need to see, move back above this area right here, back above 73. So move up through there, back up to 75, confirmation that we will probably move out to 82, 86. All right, Pepsi, not a financial. This one had a nice deep retrace, spiking well below the roadmap line. Last time we held the roadmap line. Last time we got a nice deep spike below. We went on quite a run. So this one could be set up for another sizable run up. Need to see a move up through this level right in here. Back above like 169 on the daily close. Set it up for 183, 191 or higher. PG, Procter & Gamble. Nice little spike down. Hadn't really done that for a while. So from the highest high to the lowest low. Looks like we need to, at a minimum, clear that level right there, which puts us right in the 618. And then some confirmation when we clear this level up here. So we have a big fat red box kind of right in this zone right here that we need to see a move up through to get out to these higher targets, 171, 179, or even higher. WFC, back to the banks. Nice big sharp pullback. Didn't have a three-wave type retrace. So at the minimum, we need to see a daily close above 54, which really need to see something like that to get these higher prices on the extension out. XLP, consumer staples. So we had a nice big spike down, retrace, went a little deeper to the 1272. This makes highest high, lowest low. Coming right up into some resistance. Looks like this is a big old messy area right here that we'll need to clear. So if you see a nice swift move up into this area, it could be indicative that we will see a move out to 80, 82, 86. So that's the list for this week. BAC, CPB, HSBC, KBE, KRE, PEP, PG, WFC, and XLP. All right. Thanks for watching. Hope you like like the list for the week. Hope you find something good. If you're watching this on YouTube later, remember, like, subscribe for more content. But you can pop down on the links and join the market roadmap and get this list live, the week it comes out, and potentially catch some of these awesome setups. All right. Have a great week. I'll be back with you again soon.